Men, we made it.
I guess so. Hurry up, man.
What do you think of how I packed my bag? This trip is going to be a long one. Bow.
I'm really excited, man. This is the first time we're going to space. How do you feel, erection? This trip is definitely going to pay off, man.
Oh, but I'm a little hungry. How about we grab something to eat before we continue? All delicious food. We have to enjoy it. Bow.
Let's keep going on our journey, man. We've got a small spaceship inside our big one. Remember? We can use it to explore around this planet. Let your voice rise slightly on explore. Hello, everyone. We've arrived.
Can you take us to meet the creatures here?
Oh, of course, guys. You've made it, guys. Just hop off.
This dragon is so cool. Man, it looks so beautiful.
He seems to be afraid of something.
Aliens here. They kidnapped us. I can't go out. This is where the aliens confine animals. They use animals as test subjects. I have taken you to the Alien Research Center. Now, we have to run.